And Devendra Fadnavis today staked claim to form government in Maharashtra, ending days of speculation. He will take oath as Maharashtra Chief Minister in Mumbai tomorrow at the Azad Maidan, where preparations have been on for days now. Eknath Shinde, who bowed out of the race for Maharashtra's Chief Minister post last week, will join Devendra Fadnavis, the government, as his deputy, is what sources have told NDTV. And Ajit Pawar, the other member of the Mahayuti, had already said he would take oath tomorrow. For Devendra Fadnavis, it will be the third time he's sworn in as the Maharashtra Chief Minister, even though his second term was just a few days. Let's listen in to what all the leaders said shortly after they met with the state governor earlier today and staked claim to form government.
नई सरकार का शपथ विधि ये 5 तारीख को शाम को 5:30 बजे विश्व गौरव भारत के प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी की उपस्थिति में संपन्न होगा। मुंबई के आज़ाद मैदान पर यह संपन्न होगा। कल मैं स्वयं माननीय हमारे मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथ शिंदे जी के पास गया था और एकनाथ राव जी को मैंने ये निवेदन किया था कि हम सभी की इच्छा है कि इस सरकार में वे स्वयं हमारे साथ रहे। शिवसेना के भी विधायकों की इच्छा है और महायुति के भी विधायकों की इच्छा है और मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि वो हमारे साथ रहेंगे। महाराष्ट्र की जनता को जो वादे हमने किए हैं उन वादों को पूरा करने के लिए पूरी जी जान के साथ ये सरकार काम करेगी।
आज आम्ही राज्यपाल महोदयांची भेट घेऊन महायुतीचं सरकार स्थापन करण्याची परवानगी मागितली आणि राज्यपाल महोदयांनी परवानगी दिली। उद्या आझाद मैदानमध्ये संध्याकाळी 5:30 वाजता शपथविधी आहे।
मी सगळेजण मिळून महाराष्ट्राच्या सर्वांगीण विकासाच्या करता मनापासून प्रयत्न करू। आम्हाला अनुभव आहे, त्या अनुभवाचा फायदा राज्यातल्या सर्व समाजाला, सर्व जाती घटकाला कसा करून देता येईल। वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे गोष्टी घडत असतात, नैसर्गिक संकट येत असतात, त्याच्यातून आमचा शेतकरी अडचणीत येत असतो, परंतु त्याला पुन्हा त्याच्यातून कसं आधार देता येईल, बाहेर काढता येईल। आणि आता केंद्र सरकार पण त्या बाबतीत मागेही बरोबर होतं, आताही बरोबर आहे। आता 5 वर्ष आता ते अतिशय चांगलं बहुमत आहे की त्याच्यात आता कुठेही आम्हाला तिघांना पण त्याला सांभाळा, त्याला सांभाळा, हा तिकडे गेला, हा रुसला, हा फुगला, आम्ही रुसून फुगून देणारच नाही। पण असं फार काही तिथं वेळ देण्याची जबाबदारी येणार नाही, ती चंद्रशेखर बावनकुळे आणि सुनील तटकरे त्यांच्या स्तरावर पार पाडतील।
Let's go across to Radhika, who's been tracking all that's been taking place there in Maharashtra. And finally, Radhika, tomorrow the swearing-in ceremony and Devendra Fadnavis, Chief Minister, along with 2 deputies, is what it seems.
Absolutely. After 11 days of wait, finally, government formation happening in Maharashtra today. Of course, Devendra Fadnavis stake claim to form the government. He is going to be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra for the 3rd time. Now, as far as Deputy Chief Ministership is concerned, yes, we are hearing that Eknath Shinde has finally agreed to be the Deputy CM along with Ajit Pawar. So, yes, CM, 2 Deputy CMs to take oath tomorrow in that grand ceremony that is to take place in the presence of Prime Minister Modi. Besides that, a few ministers are also expected to take the oath. But who those ministers are, the name is still being sort of finalized at this point. Discussions and deliberations going on as to who the ministers are going to be who will take oath tomorrow. At least about a dozen ministers expected to take oath from the side of BJP, Sena as well as NCP. Now, who's going to get what is something that we'll have to wait and watch out for the next a few days, because while ministers may take oath, what their portfolios are going to be, that is something we may not know soon. And what about Home Ministry and Finance Ministry, which the Eknath Shinde is currently vying for? There is a possibility he may get that today. Of course, Eknath Shinde speaking about how 2.5 years back, he was supported by Devendra Fadnavis to become the chief minister, and therefore he supports his chief ministership as well. But in return, will he ask for home ministry just the way Devendra Fadnavis had that portfolio for himself? That remains to be seen. But today they did put up a united front. They put up a strong front, something they had been showcasing in the last few days. While there had been differences and disputes and a lot of back and forth and tug of war over chief ministership post, openly they continue to maintain that they are together and there are no disputes, and they sort of managed to come to a consensus, as far as CM and Deputy CM posts are concerned. And now we'll have to see what those portfolios are, and will Eknath Shinde get Home Ministry or Finance at the end of this bargain.